These motivational YouTube short videos, Instagram Reels and TikTok videos are getting millions of views and make serious money with these simple videos. So in this video, I will show you easiest and fastest way to copy these motivational short form videos without AI. Especially on TikTok, these videos are performing very well. I'm going to search motivation on TikTok.
Everybody that you fight is not your enemy, and everybody that helps you is not your friend.
When a man is broken, he can destroy everyone around him.
You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it.
This channel has almost 4 million followers and he get millions of views. Those videos made from original motivational videos. So let me show you how to copy these videos in only 3 steps. The first step is go to TikTok and download your favorite motivational video. After you finish, convert that video to MP3. Step number 2, separate voice from background music. To do that, go to this website called Voice Remover. Click Browse My File, select the sound. After the process is done, reduce music volume and increase the vocal volume. Click Save button, select vocal and finish. Now move on the next step. Download stock footage for your motivational video. Go to YouTube and type stock footage for motivational video and download the video. The final step. Open CapCut application, new project and select your video. Cut the video in each sentences. And add your stock footage. Mute the sound and change the ratio to portrait. After you finish, delete the first video and add your converted voiceover. And add caption to look better. To do that, click text icon and auto captions and click start. Now change the text direction in the middle of the video. Click Style and add black stroke. Thickness 50%. And go to Animation. Click Caption and click Word by Word. Add some transition. Click Black Fade. Do this to all clips by simply clicking Apply to All. Add background music for better performance and change the volume to 25. Now it's time to see our video.
When others are sleeping, you need to be awake. Work on having an excellent, driven mindset. You may even fall back. Learn from your mistakes. Grow from your mistakes and become unique, but never quit. Don't stop moving forward.
You can support me by subscribing and leaving a like.